Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through the updated steps to log out of your X account. Whether you're switching accounts or securing your device, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Once the app is loaded, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This will open a side menu with several options. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings page for your account. Now, locate and tap on the Your Account option. Within this section, select Account Information. This is where you'll find all the details related to your account. Scroll down to the bottom of this page until you see the Logout button. Tap on it. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to log out. Simply confirm by tapping Logout again. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your X account. Whether you're using an Android or iOS device, these steps work seamlessly across both platforms. Thank you for following along. If this guide was helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance. Stay safe and enjoy using X.